Yeah, Chief Minister recently made a statement that roads, national highway road or power project are important as far as national security is concerned. तुमचे किती म्हणणं आहे सर?
See, I was following the proceedings of the House, and when I read the newspaper, I was not only surprised, I was shocked that he wants railway because of defense. Unless they want to bring missiles and all to Goa, there you may need railways. He also said 6,000 people are traveling every day. He doesn't know the difference between South Konkan Railway and the South Central Railway. This is part of South Central Railway, the double tracking. And this double tracking, how many trains are coming to Goa by South Central Railway? Maybe 3 or 4 trains. Remaining are only goods trains. And their only intention to Goa to make a coal hub, which we don't want. Now, as far as defense is concerned, there is our harbour, there is airport. So all this defense can be taken care by these two things that are already existing, not railways. So once again, I want to bring to the notice of the Chief Minister, you can fool yourself, not the public. So we know why these double tracking people, the government is so much interested. It is only to serve certain companies which want to bring coal to our harbour, and from there they want to distribute. So once again, I want to bring to the notice of the Chief Minister, please, you are there from 13, you all have made majority. By purchasing all the MLAs, you cannot purchase the public. The public sentiment is that we don't want this double tracking. We don't want the extension or widening of the highway to the sanctuary. And the third thing, though people don't want, maybe we have to discuss and see whether this line, power line, is needed for the state of Goa. We are there, no doubt. Ours is a country. You cannot work in isolation. But doesn't mean you have to finish the ecology. It doesn't mean you have to finish so many good things that Goa is always showing people or proud of, and then just to serve others. This Goans will not allow. They have already shown the IIT, which you all were forcing. Now people have shown we are united, and then we don't want. Now same thing I'm requesting the government. We don't want marinas. People have gone to court, high court. Don't allow them, people to go to high court. The people's only court is election. And that time people will show you at the time of election where you stand.
अनेक विषय म्हणटा पळय तो when it comes to your party, now committees have been formed. The central leaders आणि हे केला. What is this all committees formed and किती जातले हितूंतल्यान and what is your role also?
Finally, they want to come back to power again. And that's why they're saying if we go like this, strengthen the party in all the nook and all the sides, everywhere, nook and corner, then only party can come up. So that's why they have formed this.
It is good. It is a welcome step as far as building a party.
See, it's a good step, but let us see the reality, how it functions.
What happens if even there is a chance for Mr. Sardin to take over the presidency?
See, Kinatha, I told last time, and again I'm saying, if I am given, I'm interested. If not, you see, because I being member of parliament, I don't know how they think.
You also have been saying earlier, saying that the party needs a change. Now with this, everything and all, it is a good step for a party as far as elections are concerned.
Yes, I always said party needs a change, and I hope they are changing because now this company is only a member.
Okay.
So the question, let us wait and see, because everything is done for better, to get better results. But only then, after you meet, after 3 months, we'll come to know the reality.
But would you also give your opinions as far as formation of these block committees for?
Surely. After all, I am a senior member of this party, and I want this party to prosper. Let us not forget, if I have won, it is not only because of me, for the party, because of me, and all the workers who worked for me. So tomorrow, if my party exists, we want them to come up as MLAs and future leaders of the party.
Thank you.